China has successfully transitioned from an era of high-speed growth to high-quality development. China is the world's largest producer of solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles. Its commitment to carbon neutrality by 2060 and investment in renewable energy infrastructure demonstrate global leadership in green development. This effort offers valuable lessons for other nations transitioning toward sustainable energy solutions.
China has actually, to be very frank, one of the main drivers of green energy development around the world, especially on solar, but also on wind and hydro and renewables. China has been a promoter, a driver of these technologies.
When it comes to international green initiative, China is playing a crucial role in global efforts to combat climate change. Through initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative, China is helping to deploy green technology in other developing countries such as solar farms and wind power infrastructure.